everyone, this week we're learning all about the deep sea and some organisms that live there. And today we're going to talk about the tube worms. Tube worms can be found in two different environments of our deep sea, such as the hydrothermal vents and the cold seeps. We'll take a better look at both environments and how these tube worms grow. The tube worms in both these environments have the same process of getting energy from their surroundings. Tube worms in the deep ocean are very interesting because they do not actually have a digestive tract, a mouth, or an anus. They actually get their energy from a symbiotic bacteria that lives in part of the body, the organ called the tryphosome. Inside the tryphosome, this bacteria helps break down a chemical called hydrogen sulfide. You may have smelt the smell of hydrogen sulfide from a rotten egg. It is actually the same exact chemical that they use to get their energy from. A big difference between hydrothermal vents and cold seeps is a hydrothermal vent is somewhere that you can find in mid-ocean ridges of the ocean, a place where the plates are actually diverging and separating and creating an area where really, really hot water and chemicals can come up and those tube worms can feed on. Cold seeps can be found in the Gulf of Mexico at places where there has been some plate tectonic activity moving around and balling up pockets of chemicals such as hydrogen sulfide and methane under the sediments, and over time it slowly starts to ooze out. Cold seeps tend to last much longer than the hydrothermal vents. Here at the cold seep, our tube worms, they grow very slow because of the cold water there. However, they have a constant source of energy from that hydrogen sulfide there in the sediments. For our tube worm craft, here is a list of materials that you'll need. As a round cardboard disc for your platform, some regular copy or paper, some type of pretty tape or maybe a paint for the outside, feathers, glue gun, scissors, tape. Step one of our craft is take a single piece of paper and start to roll it up. Like so, and then tape it. Voila! Next, we want to decorate our tube worms outside. So take a piece of tape, place it at the top or the bottom first, at a slight angle, so that it swirls perfectly all the way down, just like so. Voila! And attach those plumes. Be careful. And then last, you just need to super glue your tube worm onto your platform. Alright, so here you have it, your very own tube worm. I hope you enjoyed and learned something today, and cherish these beautiful tube worms as a home decor. Be sure to follow See Me Science and see what's next.